guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P and Happy New Year to all. This is my very first New Year's video and I am so excited. I've been going for a minute because, you know, if you want to start a business or you have a business and you want to keep it flowing, it's really hard to work for someone, also be owning your own business and also upload, edit, all of that stuff. It's really hard. It's really hard when you're working for someone and your business need to be flowing and you can't do it because you're working. So that's the reason why I've been going for a minute last year, but this is 2019 and I am back and this is my very first video. And in this video, you can see from the thumbnail and the intro that I will be doing a skincare at home. You don't have to spend thousands or hundreds of dollars to, make your skin look flawless and nice. Right now, my skin is super dry. My lips are super dry and my face is screaming for help, okay? So I picked this up from, I don't know if you can see it, my lighting is so bright. But this is the True Glow from CONAIR. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't, I will try to put it somewhere. But this is the way how it looks. The girl is on the side, and it's a system. It's like a facial system. It's the new skincare way and moisturizer mist facial sauna. So this is like a facial sauna. I'm gonna try to make you see it, but if you can, I'm sorry about that, but this is the way how it look. And I'm gonna test it out. I just opened it and I bought it in May of last year and I just opened it. So I don't know how this thing worked, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of read the instruction off camera and set it up because I don't want this video to be too long. And then I'll be right back when I set it up and I'm going to show you every single thing. Okay guys, so I put you down so you can see my desk and I did take out the stuff right here. So basically the instructions said that I have to cleanse and moisturize my face and then I have to put a eye cream or my favorite moisturizer. And this is the eye cream that I use. This is from Artistry Refreshing Eye Cream. This is really good. And also I use my foaming scrub and I got this from Walmart. I picked this up. So pretty much I don't use a lot of stuff on my face, to be honest. And then maybe I use a clay mask like every other day, but pretty much I don't use much stuff on my face. So I already did that. So the next part that it say that you should, the instruction, the system comes with a facial sauna, 2 detached brushes, which is right here. Let me open it up. So this is like a sponge and this is one of them. And then this one is a brush. So it comes with 2, and this is the system that you put it on. And this system, I got it from Target. I ordered it from Target, and I never ever used it. So, you just put it on, and I think you have to use a battery. I think it say comes with AA battery. So I have to put batteries in there. I'll do that later. So this is the system, and then it say this is a steamer. So pretty much, let me get more stuff out. So pretty much you have to put this into the system like this. Do I have to put this first? Oh God. I hate reading stuff. I'm sorry, but I just hate reading stuff, which is not good. Okay, so you have to put this in. Make sure it's locked properly, right? And then you gotta plug it in. And then you have to put water. So I have warm you know, lukewarm water into this container, and then you have to put this on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so as you can see that I poured the water into it and I set it up. I did turn it on, and I don't know if you can see it, but right now the water is boiling inside and it's really steaming. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this facial thing on. I like to do like a, you know, a facial mask, and I got this from, where did I get it from? Bed Bath & Beyond, yes. And this one is the Shea Butter Jojoba Oil. So I'm gonna use this while my face is steaming, and I'm gonna put it onto my face. Okay guys, so now that the 15 minutes is up, I did not leave it on for half an hour. It's just, they say between 15 and 30 minutes, and that's what I did. So now they say that I have to go ahead and wash my face off with cool water. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I normally just pat dry my face. I don't like swipe it or anything. Okay, so next, when that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite and most trusted moisturizer and serum, and these are the two that I use. I still using it. The La Mer Biocell Rejuvenating Cream and the HYDRA-FACIal, and it have hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this first, and it's really thick. If you've been watching me for a while, you guys know that I went and did my facial and she gave me this, and it's quite expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the serum, and trust me guys, if you're not using serum in 2019 on your face, what are you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit onto my hand, like 2 pumps, and then I'm gonna rub it all over my face. Okay guys, so pretty much this is all it. It's really simple. You can buy this at Walmart, CVS, Target, anywhere that they sell facial system. You can get this. This was very inexpensive and I love it so much. I'm going to continue to be using this. Like, trust and believe I'll be using this. So yeah, look how flawless and natural my face is from the intro. Like in the intro, my face was dry, looked dehydrated, and look at it right now. Like, you can tell the difference, and you know, the steamer really opened up your pores and get all of that stuff out. So yeah, pretty much this is it guys. Hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday for more video, and don't forget to subscribe before you go, and click that bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications from me every time I do upload. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you want me to do next. Tell me if you want me to do anything different on my channel, any makeup tricks, any makeup, you know, anything makeup, anything fashion, anything beauty. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.